Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the proper way of eating sashimi. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to be notified every time I release my video. So let's get started. Sashimi is a fresh raw seafood sliced into bite size and served in a platter. Sashimi is always eaten raw with wasabi and soy sauce. There are different varieties of sashimi. We have here tuna, shrimp, squid, salmon, snapper, scallop, and yellowtail. Sashimi is always served with a slice of daikon radish and shiso leaf. Here's how to eat sashimi. Remember, do not mix wasabi into soy sauce. Take one piece of sashimi. Then put a little wasabi on top of the fish. Then fold it. Then lightly dip sashimi into soy sauce. Then you can eat it. Do not use too much soy sauce because it will ruin all the beautiful flavors of the fish.